Hi there, I'm Tyler.
And I'm Nick.
Together we form IOTA Enterprises.
Here on Vancouver Island, and everywhere around the world, human beings rely on forests.
They provide clean air to breathe and water to drink,
as well as jobs and recreation.
They also help to stabilize the Earth's climate.
Currently around the world, forests are disappearing faster than they can be replanted.
Humanity cannot afford to lose this important natural resource. So we have therefore embarked on a mission to build the Tree Rover, a tree planting robot.
This past summer, we took a 4-month break from school and have constructed a proof-of-concept robot.
This prototype can autonomously plant multiple trees with no human interaction.
We are very proud of what we've accomplished, but we need your help to continue.
We would like to improve the Tree Rover so that it can navigate further and traverse rougher terrain while carrying more trees.
In return for your support, the Tree Rover will plant a tree for you or someone special. We will film your tree being planted and send you the video clip,
which will look something like this. So please, contribute to...
Hello Internet, my name's Kevin King, founder of Plum Geek. I'm here today to introduce Ringo. Ringo is a palm-sized robot based on the Arduino Uno. He's perfect for any robotics enthusiast. The wide range of smarts and sensors we've included will challenge and entertain even the most advanced programmers, yet he's still a perfect fit for anyone taking their first steps into robotics or programming. Ringo ships with 10 interesting behaviors preloaded so you can start having fun as soon as you open the box. You can activate and control the behaviors with the included remote control. After you learn how his sensors work with the preloaded examples, you can customize them with your own personal touch by editing our easy-to-understand example code. This is a great way to learn the basic structure of how a program works and to move towards more advanced skills. You can make him come to life, like he has a real personality. About a year ago, I taught my son how to write an Arduino program to control an RGB LED. I'll never forget the moment when he realized he could control the blink rate and the colors just by editing the code. He pushed me off the keyboard, then spent hours writing new blink sequences. This inspired my daughter, who asked me how to program a robot. This is where the idea for Ringo was born. The kids have been a part of the design process from the start, and they would love to share Ringo with the world. Ringo's small size makes him right at home on any desktop or any other smooth surface. He drives around using a pair of pager motors. The tips of the motors make contact with the surface on either side. Both motors can run in either direction at a variable speed. This makes him very maneuverable. It's like he's ice skating around the table. To stabilize the bot fore and aft, we've used some cork pads with felt on the bottom which glides smoothly over the running surface. Ringo can determine where he is, how he's moving, and where he's pointing thanks to an onboard accelerometer and gyroscope. He can be programmed to use these sensors to go in straight lines and to travel specific distances. This control loop can be made a bit sloppy on purpose, which results in a characteristic buggy swagger. No swag? A bit of swag? Lots of swag. It's as easy as changing a variable in your code. He can show you how he's feeling with 6 RGB LEDs. These are the same lights used in NeoPixel products from Adafruit. Each can be made to show any color you can think of, and they can be controlled individually. Ringo can see light from 360 degrees using 3 sensors. He can determine the direction of light and shadows. There's sensors under the feelers that can be used to follow a line, sense edges, and avoid jumping off your table. Thanks to an onboard TV remote control receiver, you can trigger and control behaviors with the remote or teach him to respond to just about any other TV remote. You can also use this receiver to listen to wireless communication sent by other robots to enable group and swarming behavior. He has 3 infrared light sources pointed 120 degrees apart, which can be used to communicate with other Ringo bots, appliances like your TV, or used together with the light sensors to sense objects or movement nearby. To give Ringo a voice, we've included a piezo sound element. It can be used to emit any variety of buggy chirps, zips, and pings you can think of. It can also be used to play musical notes. The robot is powered from a single rechargeable lithium battery. Because he'll eventually get tired and need a recharge, we've included a complete automatic charging system right on board. Plug in the USB or programming adapter and he automatically begins sipping power. To get the code between your computer and the Ringo robot, you'll use our programming adapter. This programming adapter plugs into your computer's USB on one end and Ringo's programming port on the other. In addition to programming, the adapter provides power to charge up your Ringo without removing its battery. It also allows the use of the Arduino serial print functions to debug your bug. Let's see some of the preloaded example behaviors. The light chase. Here, Ringo uses the 3 light sensors to track and follow the light. The pretty glow is coming from the 2 lights on his underside. You could make these any colors you want. The line follow. Here he's using the edge sensors under his feelers to see the line. His eye...
Hi, I'm Cypher, the designer of Vortex. Vortex is a revolutionary product for children. It is a smart and responsive robot that kids can play with and program. Using the Vortex and apps, kids can play different games, learn about robotics, and even create their own. Playing with Vortex is incredibly fun and easy thanks to its unified system and intuitive app. For example, the Bumping Fight is a sumo-style party game suitable for multiple players. The computer inside Vortex has sensors to detect motions like hitting, spinning, or being still. Vortex embraces new technologies and allows users to experience them. The Fugitive is a unique game with augmented reality and motion tracking technology. Children already love playing with our Vortex prototypes, and we can't wait for kids everywhere to get their own Vortex. Vortex is compatible with both iOS and Android devices and comes with an open SDK. Anyone who wants to develop a game for Vortex is empowered to do so because every Vortex is a dev kit. The only limit? Your imagination. Vortex's app allows kids to learn to program their robots in a fun, simple, and educational environment. By abstracting complicated actions and visualizing the process, the app teaches the basics of programming without any coding or advanced skill. Learning by doing has never been easier. Just drag, drop, and hit upload. That simple. We wanted to make a great product, and to do it, we gathered the best people from industrial design, user experience, hardware, software, and game development. For the past 2 years, Vortex has undergone countless revisions and improvements. And we know that only through this process can we create a product that won't disappoint our future inventors. Vortex is built on Arduino, an open-source hardware platform. It can see and speak by using infrared, grayscale, and sound speakers. Vortex can find its way around obstacles, detect lines, and report back to you. We've pre-installed the program and done the assembling. Vortex is fun right out of the box. Just open the app, switch it on, and start exploring. Vortex is also designed to be highly customizable with colorful parts, stickers, and maps. We've come a long way in creating Vortex, and now we need your help to make it real. Thank you.
Hey, honey, time to sleep.
Good night, Vortex.
Good night, Julie.
Hello, I'm Maker Arm, the world's first multifunctional robotic arm that fits anywhere in your workspace. I have changeable tool heads that allow me to do some really neat stuff, and I can help my humans make just about anything. I can 3D print freely since I don't live in a box. I can auto-level so my humans don't have to. I can make things up to 30 inches long and 10 inches tall on any flat surface. I can make high-quality 3D prints with both filament and resin. But I can do a lot more than just 3D printing. I'm great at building the next big thing, like this. I can cut sheets and 3D print corners. I can pick and place sheets and panels together and create a custom PCB. I can solder, assemble components. I can even work with fellow Maker Arms. Voila! Here's our finished project, a custom laptop. I can be operated wirelessly on all of your devices. Plus, my humans can teach me tricks and send me remote instructions. I was made for creative people everywhere. I can make really impressive toys. Paint on canvas and fabric, and create custom invites. I can etch glass, engrave plastic and leather, carve metal, and wood. I can also plot designs. And yes, I can even decorate cakes. Another cool thing, my humans can design their own custom tool heads for me. It feels great helping my humans build their dreams, and I would love to see Maker Arms in labs, garages, and tinkering stations everywhere. That's why I'm here on Kickstarter. My makers have spent 2 years perfecting me and my fellow Maker Arms. Right now, we are working prototypes and need to be manufactured so we can be on our way to all you humans. With your help, together we can make anything, anywhere.